So right now, let's have a look at the budget and changes being introduced within the area of Social Security. My name is Katherine from About Retirement, and my goal is to help you build your financial security and prosperity for your retirement. This year, we've already seen 2 payments of $750, and now there are 2 new payments of $250. The first one to be paid in December 2020. Remember, you have to be eligible on 27 November 2020, and the second lot will be paid in March 2021 with your eligibility based on 26 February 2021. Those payments are exempt from tax, and they also not counted as income for other income support payments. Here is the table of eligibility to receive the 2 payments of $250. If you have a pensioner concession card, but you are not receiving any age pension, that means that you've lost your pension on 1st January 2017 due to changes to the asset test. But please remember that you are still eligible for those 2 payments of $250. By the way, if this is you, feel free to contact me and I will show you exactly how you can get part pension back. The government has also been talking about pension loan scheme. It is designed for asset-rich and income-poor retirees. For example, if you own an expensive home but you don't have any other assets that are income-producing. Even self-funded retirees might be eligible to apply for those loans, and as the loan is secured by your family home. A loan calculator is going to be available and will assess your eligibility and estimate your loan balance. Government is also introducing a scheme to improve digital skills for Australians of the age 50 years or older. And they're looking at improved administration for PBS, pharmaceutical benefit schemes. And another measure is that clients and their children, if they're stuck overseas due to COVID, the government is introducing additional support to bring them home. So what's the verdict for Social Security and age pension? Well, in one statement, it's a huge disappointment. There is nothing in the budget for retirees outside of those 2 payments of $250, considering that 1 in 4 Australian retiree lives in poverty. Most likely this double payment of $250 will have a very marginal impact to improve their lives. What's more disappointing is that there is no reduction to deeming rates. If you are a single pensioner and you have assets, all your assets about $53,000 that are subject to deeming rules, they are deemed at 2.5%. For a couple, that limit is $88,000. Well, try to get that level of return from any bank. It is impossible. The government's explanation on that front is that retirees can invest portion of their money into Aussie shares. But as we know, due to COVID, many companies have reduced their dividends and some have removed them altogether. Therefore, the return may not necessarily be there at all. And also, that is my personal belief, that there should be some level of compensation being taken into consideration by the government about the investment risk that retirees are forced to take in order to get the return that is supposed to be deemed. This is the verdict for Social Security. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you will be notified of my next video, and also I would really appreciate your support. So the last topic is aged care. Granny flat exemption for capital gains tax is still in workings, so nothing new to tell you on that front. Government introduced additional home care packages, 23,000 of them, but it's over the period of 4 years. And government wants to improve transparency and standards with COVID supplements to assist residential aged care and home care providers. There is also a Royal Commission underway right now in relation to the aged care system, with more information to come in February 2021. So what's the verdict for aged care within this budget? Well, 23,000 packages is just simply not enough, but it is, I suppose, better than nothing. But unfortunately, only 2,000 packages are of level 4, which is the highest level, and that's the level that is most needed. There is over 100,000 people on the waiting list. So the demand is really there. So that's just not enough packages for them. If you are not familiar with home care packages, they are designed to keep people at home, assisting them with home living rather than going to aged care facilities. One of the requests to the government was to reduce the wait for the home care packages. According to Ian Henschke from National Seniors, the amount of money required to fix that problem was anywhere between $2 to $2.5 billion. Now, 1.5 was allocated, but it is over the period of 4 years, not 1 year, 4 years, and this is just not good enough. My verdict for changes in aged care. So here it is, my overview of the budget. I really hope it will help you in your retirement planning. And if you need any help, any assistance, feel free to contact me. All the contact details are listed in the description below the video. Thank you very much again for listening to me. Enjoy your day, and I will talk to you next time.